Welcome to this meditation. Thanks for joining me. Today's seed is releasing cynicism, embracing curiosity. Just get comfortable, close your eyes, and bring your awareness to your breath. Heavy clouds of doubt, let them drift beyond your view. Mine opens like dawn. Body feels lighter. Each breath awakens new growth. Wonder starts to bloom. Cynicism fades. Curiosity takes root. Infinite paths arise. Yeah, it's a good line. Infinite paths rise with curiosity. Thanks for joining me. May you find peace and tranquility in your travels.